Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this lovely bedside table with very pretty details.
and we can't wait to put some colors, gilding works and all the good stuff from Dixie Belle. So let's do it!
Let's do it! Started by cleaning it with white lightening, which is Dixie Belle's furniture cleaner. This is a step you can't miss when painting furniture. It's important to have a clean surface prior to painting. No matter how clean a piece looks, it's surely not. When I was done with cleaning, I rinsed twice the leftover solution and dirt only with water. Once the piece has dried, I applied Slick Stick, which is a great adhesion primer, by dabbing it. We want a lot of texture on the bedside because it's made out of chipboard, so dabbing the Slick Stick will create another protective, thicker coat. After applying 2 coats, we left the piece to cure for 24 hours prior to painting. We wanted a proper texture, so we used sea spray, which is a texture additive powder, and we combined it with white paint, all from Dixie Belle. We added some paint in a bowl and a small amount of sea spray. We don't really measure it, we are just adding little by little until we get the right texture. In this case, it's medium to heavy texture. We added the texture all over the piece, excluding the molding, the beautiful roses. We applied only paint over them so we don't cover the pretty shape. We let the texture to dry for quite a while, few hours, and then it's time to take out the pinks.
I created a custom color because I wanted the bright candy-like dusty pink, complicated. So I mixed apricot with a bit of peony, and I mixed and mixed until I got the color I envisioned. Also, I added some pine cone as well, some brown, to make it dusty. And I added some water to dilute it because we are going to do a rugging technique, so we need our paint to be quite diluted. I took a rug and folded it so I can use it for this technique. I applied water, I applied my color wash, and then I just dabbed with the cloth to erase some of the color and leave this lovely pattern behind. I just dabbed in different directions, and that's it. I did this all over the piece, and another tip would be to change the cloth from time to time when it gets too wet, otherwise it's not giving the same effect anymore. You can apply more color in the same spot to intensify it if you feel like. A very exciting part is creating drips. I mixed straight into the lid some Plum Crazy with water, and then I went over the roses. Underneath I added some more water, and I took back my cloth and did the same as I did with the custom pink. Just dab to mix the Plum Crazy into our pink. They are super easy to do and giving the piece lots of character. the next color is the cherry on the top, mermaid tail over the roses and the ribbons. I applied it with an artist brush and I just went over the details with the tip of the brush to enhance them. We decided we want something different on the top, so we applied putty and blended in some pine cone using a synthetic brush. Easy and lovely. I applied gold gilding wax on those details only using my finger. We love how this piece turned out, but guys, we actually started to repaint this piece because we have a better idea that will fit it amazingly. Stay tuned for that tutorial next week. And anyway, thank you so much for watching and we will see you soon. Bye!